What's up, guys? Hunter back here with another video, and I know it's been a while. I've just been doing a lot of things recently, been super busy, and we're gonna start hopping back on making videos consistently, or at least I'm gonna try to, as much as I can. Doing a lot of things right now, like I said, so as soon as I get more free time, I feel like I can put more into this, but I just want to go over a quick breakdown of some of the trades, really just today, but maybe we'll do a review over some other trades I've taken recently. But yeah, just for today, make this a nice and quick video. So we were looking at NZDUSD, and this was a good trade. Just getting rid of some of this stuff real quick. So essentially we had a range from here to here. We'll just move I guess not, we'll just put it right here. There was a range here. I'm not going to go into all the reasons why, but this is our range from here to here. So right here we had a break below, and we have order blocks, which is something a lot of people know about. If you don't know about order blocks, I might make a video about it, but you can go watch. There's so many people at this point that have order block videos, but you could go watch ICT, who is like the main person that came up with that term. But essentially there's order blocks and then there's rejection blocks. So essentially, I was looking at a rejection block to form here. It's kind of like an order block, except that the body doesn't close below. There's a wick, so you use the body of the candle that is the liquidity that was taken, is the best way I could explain it. If you don't know what that means, then just don't worry about it for right now. But essentially, I wanted to see price come to this level, so we did get that. But when this candle started moving really fast, I had some early positions that were not really that favorable. So you could say like here at the 50%. Positions that were really not that favorable. Even if we were to take it to the range high, it would have only netted a 2.37. Not the best risk to reward, but it was okay. And then we actually got the pullback down into this area, which is what I wanted to see. This would have been the best entry, obviously, but I didn't get right there because I had multiple accounts I was trading. So there were some entries that I got down here, or it might have been a little bit more up from here, but this would have been a 1 to 7 right there. So this was essentially the trade that I took. Just there's multiple different positions that I had. Some were, like I said, in the middle right here. I had positions that were also up here maybe, and then some positions down here. It just depended on the account because I was switching between accounts to try and keep up with it all. Now, this is where I ended up taking profits, but like I said, I wanted the range high, but we didn't get that. At least not at that moment. And once it kept coming up here and it was having trouble breaking this, I was very skeptical. And another thing that I correlated it with is AUD/USD, because I was watching it, and it had already taken its range high. So essentially the same move was happening, except right here it should have taken this low, but we never did. That's why I didn't trade AU and I traded NZD. But this was actually the better trade because it moved much better. So it took its range high, and once I saw that AU took its range high, and I know that they're very correlated, it made me feel that this was going to start reversing from here. And that's exactly what happened. So reviewing, there was a reason for price to come lower. I didn't take this trade. This was just review. There was a reason for price to come to this level. We got this level. This is an actual order block now. Order block was formed. It's a bit of a big candle, so I would have liked to see the 50% get traded into, but it didn't get that. So you would have entered at the open, and then since NZD's range high didn't get taken, you can now aim for the high again, and that would have netted you a 1 to 4.5 risk to reward. So there you go, taps the range high, and now it's just consolidating because the day's almost over. So just a quick little breakdown showing you the range, showing you the reason for wanting to enter. Not going into all the details, obviously, because I don't want to give everything away, but you can go back and back test this and maybe try to find the reasons why. But yeah, other than that, stay tuned. Here was the profits for today. It was, on this account, was $882, and that was with a 14 lot size, and the stop loss was, I think I had my stop below the low. It was a 2-pip stop. So, really great trade. I wish we would have caught the whole shebang, but that just didn't happen, didn't play out today. AU was the better trade today. But yeah, things happen. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you can learn something. Hopefully you go back, test, and see some things. But again, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. I'm going to try to make more and more. So peace.